Tesla's phone key feature allows you to use your smartphone as a digital key to access and operate your Tesla vehicle, replacing physical keys or key cards. It replaces physical keys or key cards. Launched in 2021, it's now a mature feature offering convenience and security. If you have a Tesla Model 3, Y, S, or X running software V223.12 or later, you're likely eligible. Today, we'll show you how to set it up. To use Tesla's phone key feature, you'll need several key components to ensure compatibility and smooth operation. First, you need a compatible Tesla vehicle. This includes Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X running software version 23.12 or later. Second, you'll need a smartphone with both Bluetooth and near-field communication, or NFC, capabilities. This includes most modern Android phones like the Pixel series and iPhones starting from the iPhone 8 and later models. Third, you must have the latest version of the Tesla app installed on your phone. This ensures you have access to all the phone key features and updates. Finally, before starting the setup process, make sure both Bluetooth and NFC are enabled on your phone. These wireless technologies are essential for the phone key to communicate with your Tesla vehicle. With these requirements met, you're ready to proceed with setting up your phone key. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone. This is the main interface where you'll manage your vehicle's features. Log in using your Tesla account credentials. Enter your username and password to access your account. Navigate to the Controls tab located at the bottom of the screen. This tab gives you access to various vehicle settings. Then tap on Locks. This opens the locking and access settings for your vehicle. Ensure that mobile access is enabled. This setting allows your phone to communicate with your Tesla. Once enabled, your phone acts as a digital key. In step 2, we'll add your phone as a key. Start by opening the Tesla app on your phone. Navigate to the Locks menu in the app. You'll find the phone key option there. Tap on it to begin the setup process. The app will guide you through the pairing process. Keep your phone close to the car. Your Tesla will search for your phone and display available devices. Select your phone from the list of available devices. Remember, the car must be nearby and initially unlocked for this process to work. For security, Tesla will send a verification code to your phone or Tesla account. Enter this code in the app when prompted to confirm the pairing. Once verified, your phone will be recognized as a key. You can customize the name of your phone key within the app for easy identification, such as John's phone. To unlock your Tesla, simply tap your phone to the door handle or center console. You'll hear a confirmation sound, and the doors will unlock. The same method works for locking. With keyless driving enabled, you can seamlessly enter and drive without further app interaction as long as your phone is inside the vehicle. Also, make sure the app remains installed or else the phone key won't work. If your phone key isn't working, start by ensuring Bluetooth and NFC are enabled on your phone. These are essential for the digital key to communicate with your Tesla. Next, check your phone's battery level. A low battery below 10% may disable phone key features to conserve power. Make sure the Tesla app is up to date. Outdated versions may cause compatibility issues with the phone key feature. Try restarting your phone and the Tesla app. This can resolve temporary connectivity glitches. If problems persist, delete and re-add the phone key in the Tesla app. This refreshes the digital key configuration. In areas with high interference, such as urban environments with many wireless devices, Bluetooth connectivity issues may persist despite these steps. Phone key employs public key cryptography, where each phone receives a unique encrypted key. This advanced security method uses a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption, ensuring that only your authorized device can access your Tesla. If your phone is lost or stolen, act quickly to revoke the phone key through the Tesla app. This remote deactivation prevents any unauthorized access to your vehicle, giving you peace of mind even in unfortunate situations. For enhanced protection, enable biometric authentication in the Tesla app. This adds fingerprint or facial recognition as an additional verification step, making it much harder for anyone else to use your phone key. Finally, always keep a physical key card as a backup. In situations where your phone battery dies, loses connectivity, or encounters other issues, the key card ensures you can still access and drive your Tesla safely.